Hello, I'm Tom Williams from the Fort Huachuca Public Affairs Office, and this is your Fort Report.
The Directorate of Human Resources Army Career Alumni Program, or ACAP building, recently received a facelift and a ribbon cutting was held to mark the grand opening of the newly renovated facility. The commander of U.S. Army Garrison Fort Huachuca made remarks.
Today is a great day for Fort Huachuca as we open the newly renovated facility for the transitioning of our soldiers, their families to civilian life. For anybody who's known what's gone on with this building, this has been many months in the making. With the implementation of the VOW Act, ACAP centers throughout the Army in conjunction with the Department of Labor and the Veterans Administration have expanded their programs to better prepare our soldiers for life after the military.
The classrooms in the building were upgraded, receiving new computers and teaching aids. The upgrades will give customers a leg up in the competition for civilian jobs.
Because we've added as much automation in here as we have, and the fact that the job search process now is so high tech, this will give our soldiers an ability to be much more competitive, actually reach out to employers across the country, do the virtual job search and do the virtual interviews, attend virtual events, virtual training events, all from the ACAP Center here at Fort Huachuca.
And soldiers now have more time to prepare for the transition to civilian life.
It now means that every service member is supposed to start the actual training process for transition between 18 months and 12 months before their separation date. It's given us new tools, things like the renovation here, the automation equipment are now required to make sure that everybody is competitive in that process, and we've given them the best possible training that we can.
ACAP services are also now available to members of the National Guard and reservists. The Fort Huachuca ACAP facility is located just off of Butler Street in the Old Post section of the fort.
That'll do it for this edition of the Fort Report. Have a great day.